Alright guys, I got the turbo manifold all bolted up on there. I got a turbo on it. Oil lines on. Painted up the crossover pipe, make it look a little bit better. I'm sure all that paint will probably burn off on the first startup. This is where I ended up putting the wastegate. I know it's not ideal, but I didn't have no space up top. Hopefully it works. I know I should probably wait until I have all the intercooler and intercooler piping all plumbed and installed, but I want to start it up, make sure everything works and we got a good turbo, it's not burning no oil or anything. I'm going to do a quick start up. Alright, I don't want to get too crazy without all the rest of the plumbing, but we had oil pressure. Doesn't seem to be smoking, so I feel like we're ready to move on. Hopefully by next week I'll have all the intercooler piping all done, bolt the intercooler on there, and then it's going to be trying to figure out about the tuning. Here's a close-up of how I ended up doing the oil return, and that's why I couldn't put my wastegate up here. Here's how I did the O2 sensors. That way I could still get readings off of both banks. That's basically it for now. If you're not subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. Turn on the alerts so you don't miss the next video.